Welcome to another Algonquin Print Services tutorial. In this video we will go on a walkthrough of the PaperCut account web portal for staff and faculty. Please note, you must be connected to the AC secure Wi-Fi while on campus or connected to the VPN while at home in order to access your PaperCut account. Alright, let's get started. The PaperCut web portal can be found at our website, algonquincollege.com/print. Click on Manage Your Account and then click on the button Check Print Balance. This link only works while connected to the AC secure Wi-Fi on campus or while connected to the VPN from home. You will see the PaperCut login page. Enter your Algonquin College network credentials and click Login. Welcome to the PaperCut portal. We are going to go through each section starting with the summary page. Here you can see your total number of jobs printed, and total number of pages printed. There is a link to the Shared Accounts tab. You can also get an idea of your environmental impact. Shared Accounts. Here you can see what budget codes you have access to. Transaction History. Here you can see all the recent AC cash and print quota transactions associated with your account. Staff do not normally receive print quota, but rather charge any printing to their departmental budget codes. If you have used any AC cash for printing, those transactions will appear in this section as well. You can filter the data to help find specific details by clicking the filter button. You can export data to PDF or Excel CSV by scrolling to the bottom of the list and clicking on the appropriate icon. Recent print jobs. Here you can see a list of your recent print jobs and their details. You can filter the data to help find specific details by clicking the filter button. Under the status column, you can see if the job was printed, cancelled or refunded. If you hover over the attributes you can expand to see even more details about the job. Under both transaction history and recent print jobs, you have the ability to export this data to a PDF or an Excel CSV by scrolling to the bottom of the list and clicking on the appropriate icon. Jobs pending release. Here you can see any jobs that you have sent to the Find Me printer, or to Mobility Print, that you have not yet released at a campus printer. You can select Release All and then click on a specific printer from the list that appears, to immediately output all jobs on that device. You can select Cancel to cancel that job and remove it from the list. You can select Print, and then click on a specific printer from the list that appears, to immediately output that job on that device. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and click Back if you do not want to immediately print your job. Please note, releasing jobs this way will have your document immediately output to that device without having to be there to tap and release. Print Policy. Link to Algonquin College Managed Print Services Policy, IT08. All staff members should familiarize themselves with this policy. Print Website. Link to the print website. This is the recommended place to find information about, and assistance with, printing on campus. The Print Shop. Link to the Algonquin College Print Shop website. Available to both staff and students, with online ordering available. The Print Shop offers a suite of print products and professional services, including prints of various sizes, bindery and finishing. The Print Shop is located within Connections, the campus store. Add AC Cash. Link to Card Services page for conveniently adding AC Cash to your account online. This has been a walkthrough of the PaperCut web portal. Please visit the Print Services website to learn more. Thank you.